Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you from Afsisterwig that is totally beginner friendly. So if you are interested in how I got this look and all about this wig, then keep on watching. First off, I just had to show you guys how I received my package, which is all bubble wrap. So kudos to them to making sure that they, just even send you a nice box for your wig to store it in and making sure it's not getting trashed through the shipping process. So this skin melt wig is probably one of the most beginner wigs that I have come into contact with. The lace is transparent lace. It will definitely blend very well with any skin tone and be invisible and undetectable. And one of the best things on this lace is that the knots are practically undetectable, you guys. As you see here, they've pretty much done all of the work for you. It does come also with an elastic strap. Hello, I'm so excited about this. You could definitely wear this wig glueless if you wanted to, but you guys, this wig, they've done all the work for you with this wig, and I have not had a wig quite like this one. The hairline has been pre-plucked for you. The knots have been bleached. The lace is undetectable. You really don't have to do any work. I was so prepared to go in real hard with this and start plucking and this and that, but I did not have to. So I didn't wear it glueless. I'm just adding a little bit of my Got To Be Glued on my hairline, and then putting a little bit of the free spray over it. This is something I do with all of my wigs, and then I'm just gonna pop that sucker on. From here, you guys, I'm just gonna hush. I'm gonna let you finish watching because I don't really do much. This is I wanted to do so much more with this wig, but it just was not necessary. So I'm just gonna add in a couple of wand curls because of course it does need a little bit of help as far as the hair goes. Let me speak about the hair really quickly, you guys. It's just regular old straight hair. It's straight silky hair. Not too much to say about it. Very basic, 18 inches, but it needed some help. It just needed some styling like you would expect a straight wig to need. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna hush. Just stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and I will be back really soon with my final thoughts on this new skin melt wig from Afsisterwig. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys. It is from Afsisterwig. So I'm wearing their new skin melt wig. It's 18 inches, 130% density, and I do have the average size, which is about 22.5 inches. This wig already comes ready to wear. I was so prepared to start plucking, to start doing a whole bunch of finessing to this wig, and I really did not have to do anything. So their new invisible lace, it is soft, it's thin, it's supposed to be medium brown to transparent, and it's pretty much just supposed to be undetectable. So I did not put anything on this particular lace. You can still put your makeup, foundation, whatever you want to do, tint it however you want to. I just didn't because I wanted to see if it was really if it would just really work with me. If I was on the go, I didn't have time, or I was new, I'm a beginner, I don't even feel like doing all that kind of stuff, I don't know how to do all that kind of stuff, would it actually work? And I think it works. I totally agree. The lace is definitely thin. It's definitely a nice, it's not a bad color, not a brown lace at all. It's not a medium brown. It's definitely just close to more of the transparent, which is okay with me. As far as the invisible knot method that they use, I'm not mad at it either. So the difference between their knotting method versus someone else's knotting method is per hole within the lace, they are using only 2 strands of, you know, hair to tie the knot, and the knot is a lot smaller versus other companies that are doing 3, 4, or 5 strands of hair per hole within the lace. So you definitely get a more realistic look. They did a really good job with this. I'm actually really excited because I've been doing like back to school like looks on my channel lately, and I was just talking to my sister who works in the corporate environment, and I was talking to my sister-in-law who is a teacher, and I was really asking them what they look for in a wig, and pretty much everything that I'm wearing today is like it marks off everything that they were looking for in a wig. They didn't want to bleach the knots, they didn't want to have to do any plucking, they didn't want to have to do this, that, and the other. And so I'm pretty excited to tell them about this company, tell them about this wig, and yeah, I'm actually like shocked because I didn't know how it would be. I didn't know how it would come out. It's just one of those things with working with a new company that you just don't know what to expect. So this exact wig does come in at $200, which I think is not a bad price because all the work is done for you. You don't have to bleach knots, you don't have to worry about the lace, you don't have to worry about the hairline, plucking any hairs on the hairline. All you have to do is just make some baby hair if you wanted to, and yeah, that's it. I wish I had done a better job up here. If you follow my channel, you know I use those black strips to tie my tie my hair down, because once I pull them off, they don't leave any kind of residue or anything like that. They're just the absolute best. And I ran out and I had to use just like a regular scarf, and my scarf left all this gunk right here. Put makeup on. It was just like the worst because I wanted this wig. I was very excited about this wig, and it never fails that something I'm very excited about always end up messing up some kind of way. So great job, Afsisterwig. I think you guys did a really good job on this wig. I think it's definitely worth the money. I don't really have any cons except for the con that I did messing up my baby hair, which was bound to happen because I was excited about something, and usually I just need to calm down. But other than that, you guys, that's really all that I have for this wig. If you guys have any questions or comments, or if you want me to update you on it, I'll probably do that like on my community board or whatever, or down below in the comments in a few weeks. I'll tell you how it's going, how it's looking, and all that great stuff. But yeah, if you guys want me to do that, just let me know down below. But I think this is gonna be a really great wig for all my moms, my teachers, my corporate ladies, that just anyone that just doesn't have time to do all the extra work that comes with wig stuff. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and you know I will answer you. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.